Hi guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to load data from flat file to flat file using SSIS SQL Server Integration Service. So this here. So in my last video there I discussed about how to create the first mapping or create the one-to-one mapping. So let's see flat file to flat file. So right click there, then new SSIS package. So if you want then you can change the name. So there is rename option is there. So giving here flat file underscore flat file. So name should be meaningful. Now the next is first here I'm going to show you the file that I'm going to use. So this here raw data inside there and this EMP CSV file that's going to use. So this is the record inside there. This is the record and this record going to load into another flat file. So let's see how to do that. So first here let's take the data flow. So double click on this data flow, then you can get and here or double click on this data flow, then you can get this data flow or task. Thereafter, the next is going to take their source. So you can take their source, this all source is there. So going to use their flat file. So double click, then you can get here this flat file and double click on this flat file, then click on this new. So here you can see this all those things that's come there. So here file name we need to browse. Let's select this and here the file inside the raw data. So here you can see text file and CSV files. You can use anyone according to your requirement. Let's select the CSV. EMP CSV is the file. And now if you want then you can do some changes there. Let's go on this column. So this column is there, this preview data. So EMP number, here you can see EMP number, MGR and SAT DP number. This is numeric. So here let's go on this advanced EMP number. This is change the data type, numeric and MGR. Let's give there numeric, SAL, numeric or DP number. By default this is a string is there. Let's give numeric and commission. Commission is decimal point value is there. So let's select there decimal and hire date. So this should be or date time. So that selecting your DT date. After that or this EMP name job and this all or a string tab. Thereafter if you want then you can see the preview. If you want then you can skip the rows by clicking there and this advanced option and comma separated delimited values there, that's fine. And now no need to change anything. Let's click on this OK. After that if you want then you can see the preview. Here you can see this is the previous there and there is no need to retain the null values is there. Let's click on this column. Here you can see this column that's come there. So source part that has done. Let's take the target. So flat file to flat file. So let's select the this flat file. And now first we need to stabilize the link. So link stabilize, double click here, there, and here we need to click on this new and click on OK. So here you can have this option. So delimited, that's fine. And when you click, then you can see here browse option. So where do you want to create the file? Let's create the file on this desktop and giving the name employees dot. Let's give you a CSV file that's going to create there. And here if I go on this, if you want then you can change this place delimited, this or column names for the first row. So column name if you want then you can select OK. First I'm going to uncheck this one. Let's go on this column. Here you can see this column is there. And here you can see preview data. So what going to do there? So this column that's come there. And thereafter here let's go on this mapping. So if you want then you can select one by one. So this column that's come there, I'm going to delete this. I don't want this column at all. So let's take the flat file once again and now select this. Thereafter double click into there and click on this new once again. Delimited, that's fine. And here mappings. So here let's take the browse and employees.csv. Then after this here, you can see this all. So come there, EMP number, ename, that's come from the source file. And this advanced part is there. If you want, then you can change. And this here preview. After that, let's click on this OK. So column I didn't select it there. Let's select here mapping. Automatically this taken the mapping. And now this all looking fine. Let's save that. And now start the task. So here the this started, that's completed. And now here let's select the this, and here you can see this is the all steps that's done here. And now you can see this is started, and this file that's come there. So this is the EMP is the source. Here you can see, and this is our destination. On this destination that created the file. And here 15 rows is there total. So that 15 masses, that's compare. Let's go into this. Here you can see employees CSV file that's created, and this is the record inside there. Now thereafter the next is, so let's delete this file. And thereafter the next is, let's stop this one. And thereafter let's go on this data flow, and there you can see, let's double click on this, and here mapping. So this mapping you can see this place. And if you want to add the header, so header was not there, so let's select here EMP number, then ename, then job, then MGR, hire date, sal, com, DPT number. So according to the requirements, you can give the this all job, MGR, hire date, commission. So EMP number, ename, job, MGR, hire date, sal, commission. And in the last, DPT number is there. So if you want, then you can add this or header there. So let's go on this mapping, and now that's looking fine. And thereafter, let's save that and start the task. So this done here. Now you can see the file that's created. Here you can see EMP number, ename, job, MGR, hire date, com, salary. So this column that's come there. Okay. So this look more meaningful, or this places.